This Thanksgrilling series, it's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started.
Hey, what's up, turkey lovers? I'm Jody Flanagan, barbecue dad, your recteq expert. And today, we're going to show you traditional brined roasted turkey recipe that is going to blow your socks off. We got a hopper full of that Kingsford Classic blend pellets, a mixture of hickory, oak, and cherry. You get the best of all of those woods. We've got the RT700 preheated at 350 degrees. Again, this bird's gonna cook about 15 minutes a pound. We're looking at about 2-hour cook time here. All right, let's get started. We're gonna start with 2 pounds of butter, 2 tablespoons of Colden's Freakin Greek, and 2 tablespoons of Ben's Heffer Dust. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And we'll dump in about 2 tablespoons here and 2 tablespoons here. I find the best mixing tool are the ones that God gave us. So we're gonna mix it with our hands here. And the heat from your hands is actually gonna soften this butter up even more the more you work with it. But all we need to do, we just need to incorporate. This butter is gonna flavor and moisturize that meat. All right, I think we're good and mixed up there. All right, let's get to the brine. Now, this is a great brining recipe. There are a ton of different recipes out there and a ton of different ways that you can do this. But this is a great starting place. We got 1 gallon of water. We also have a 1/2 cup of sugar. We also have a 1/2 cup of that specialty smoked salt and a 1/4 cup of Colden's Freakin Greek rub, available at recteq.com. We got a whisk here. You can use a large spoon. Just mix it all together. We recommend putting it on the stovetop. Boiling it just helps it mix in and meld with that water. That way it'll penetrate every part of that bird inside and out. Now it's time for the star of the show, the turkey. There she is. Look at her in all of her glory. A beautiful, beautiful bird. Let's go ahead and take our tail off here. And then a little bit of this extra skin. And that brine is gonna, the turkey's gonna absorb all of that delicious liquid and help ensure that this turkey is gonna be very moist. Now, the RT700 partnered with that classic Kingsford pellet is gonna do a great job of helping retain that moisture in that bird. So if you wanna skip the brine step without a doubt. But we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put this turkey in the brine that we've got that's already cooled in the refrigerator. We're gonna let it sit for about 24 hours. You wanna make sure that 12 to 24 hours at least you allow your turkey to brine. All right, it's been 24 hours. Our bird has been brining in our easy peasy lemon squeezy brine. I don't personally like to use a towel because it can get mixed up with other towels and you could possibly spread contaminants across your kitchen. Get yourself some paper towels, dry it with those. That way you toss them, you know that they're gone, you have peace of mind. Remember, moisture is the enemy, crispy skin. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna separate that skin from the meat. Make nice, comfy pockets for our seasoned herb butter. And now we're going to take our prepared herb butter and we're going to place it up under the skin evenly. It's going to help flavor and moisturize that meat even further to help ensure it's going to be absolutely delicious for our friends and family. Don't forget the thigh, and you can even do the wings if you like. But don't worry, you can't overdo this. All right, I even like to put some butter in the cavity here. And save a little bit. Hit the outside with it. Looks good. This will help brown up that skin as well, give you good color. And we're gonna hit the bird first. A little bit of that pink Himalayan sea salt, just to start that seasoning process. All right, after the salt, we're gonna hit it with some delicious Ben's Heffer Dust and Colden's Freakin Greek rub, available at recteq.com, RECTEQ. All right, Now it's time to head on outside to the RT700. Let this bad boy rest just a little bit so I can get my hands on it. But a bird this beautiful needs a beautiful resting place. Let me see if I have anything. Oh, well, that is a beautiful resting place. Thank you, Chef John.
Always happy to help.
Thank you, thank you. Gosh, this gorgeous plate right here. Let's transform this turkey. Wow. I mean, it completely transforms this bird. Look how beautiful it is. It makes it even more beautiful. And again, you eat with your eyes first. So when your guests see this, they are just going to be blown over. They're going to fall back in their chairs, and they're going to beg for slices of this bad boy. Well, make sure you subscribe to Kingsford and recteq's YouTube channel for more amazing content like this. We've also got a video on how to slice this bad boy up for your friends and relatives that come over for the holidays. Make sure you check that one out. I'm Jody Flanagan, Barbecue Dad, and we'll see you at the recteq. Uncle, look at this turkey.